from 6E and Ms. Raheema TS from 5F, representing from Vikramashila House on the topic harmful effects of pesticides. I welcome you.
Protecting the environment is an important concern both for those who produce it and those who consume it. With this beautiful thought, I wish a very good afternoon to one and all present here.
Respected principal, vice principal, judges, teachers, and all my dear friends. First of all, I would like to welcome you all to this presentation. I'm Raheema TM from class 5F.
And I'm Gopika Mahesh from class 6C. Now, let's begin the seminar by watching a small video. What did you feel? I hope that you have seen some photos like this in the video, right? And you might have seen a banner with ban endosulfan, isn't it? Do you have any idea? Okay, I will explain. This video and pictures are about the victims of pesticide pollution that have resulted from the spraying of endosulfan, a highly toxic pesticide in the cashew plantations of Kasaragod district. Actually, the purpose was to get high yield from cashew plantations. But unfortunately, the result was thousands of victims suffering from various illnesses such as cancer, allergy, asthma, mental retardations, hypertension, damage to kidney, and even death at higher concentrations. Later, the production, sale, and use of endosulfan was banned in 2011. So far, we have discussed about endosulfan. It is actually one of the pesticides with great fear. Yes, I'm talking about pesticides. In today's presentation, I devote your attention to pesticides. The title of our presentation is Pesticides and Their Harmful Effects. So before going in detail with pesticides, let's know what are actually pesticides. Pesticides are compounds which are extensively used to destroy or control pests such as weeds, insects, rodents, fungi, or other organisms that can harm crop, then public life and economy. Pesticides have numerous beneficial effects. These include crop protection, preservation of food, and prevention from insect-borne diseases. Here arises a question. Are pesticides safe for environment? What do you think? Pesticides must undergo years of vigorous testing in wide range of environment since they can have an impact on the environment. And after a pesticide is approved for release, it is still periodically reviewed to ensure no bad information has been developed. Any pesticide shown to have adverse environmental effects will be pulled from the market or its use will be severely restricted. Now, I invite my partner, Ms. Raheema, to present the remaining part. Thank you.
Hope you have got an idea about pesticides. Now let's know more about it. So we are going to discuss about how pesticides contaminate the different components of the environment. Actually, pesticides has the ability to contaminate every part of the environment like soil, water, air, etc. Pesticides enter the water bodies by a number of ways such as by agriculture runoff, deposition from air, and by direct sprays on water surface to kill mosquitoes and other pests. From there, they enter into the food chain through other aquatic organisms, and some part reaches the groundwater also. Another part of the pesticides will get evaporated into the air and come down by rain. Some amount of pesticides will get absorbed by the soil and contaminate there in the soil and will be taken by plants by their roots, causing falling of leaves and thus damage them badly. Now let us discuss about the harmful effects of pesticides. So first of all, let's know about pesticide pollution and the environmental hazards. So, what is pesticide pollution? Contamination of the environment with harmful pesticides is known as pesticide pollution. Pesticides not only kill the targeted pests but also other beneficial organisms like microorganisms of soil, aquatic organisms, plants, animals, birds, etc. and thus affects the environment. Now let's move on to the toxic effects of pesticides on humans. Excessive concentrations of some pesticides cause hormonal imbalance, cancer of the organs, leukemia, etc. Leukemia means blood cancer. Some pesticides cause convulsions, paralysis, hypertension, and damage to kidneys. Here, conversion is a condition in which muscles contract and relax quickly and cause uncontrolled shaking of the body. And paralysis means the loss of muscle function in your body. Higher concentrations of pesticides in pregnant women may result in abortions and infant deformities. In higher concentration, they may even cause death. Here arises a question. Are pesticides needed to grow food? What's your opinion? Pests can be controlled using natural methods like birds, insects, traps, etc. and also natural pesticides. Organic foods often have more beneficial nutrients such as antioxidants, and people who have allergies show less allergy when they eat only organic foods. Organic farming practices may reduce pollution, conserve water, reduce soil erosion, and increase soil fertility. Farming without synthetic pesticides is also better for nearby birds and animals as well as people who live close to farms. Now, let us discuss about the need for natural pesticides. Natural pesticides are nothing but controlling pests using natural methods. These are the examples of natural pesticides such as neem leaves and oil, tobacco leaves, onion and garlic spray, eucalyptus oil, salt spray, soap spray, etc. Here arises a new concept that is organic farming. Organic farming is a technique which involves the cultivation of plants and rearing of animals in natural ways. This process involves the use of biological materials, avoiding synthetic substances to maintain soil fertility and ecological balance, thereby minimizing pollution and wastage. So let me conclude by giving a guava plant to Gopika. So dear Gopika, I will give you one guava plant. Then you have to grow it by adopting organic farming technique.
Okay, Raheema. Sure, I will grow it by adopting the natural ways. And also, I will take it as a chance to be a part of the organic farming. So let's say bye to pesticides and enjoy healthy food. So Raheema, are you inviting only me to this organic farming agricultural system?
No, dear, let us welcome all together to this organic farming agricultural system and let us reduce pesticide content in our body and we can also save the environment. So let me conclude with a comely quote. With strong farming methods, we turn fertile land into desert. Unless we go back to organic farming and save the soil, there is no future.
We hope you will join us with organic farming.
Thank you.